Bike theft is a frustrating reality, especially for e-bike owners. Unfortunately, when you live in a big city, the probability of your bike being stolen is very high. You never know when this may happen, and usually professional bike thefts need only a few minutes to steal your bike. I already made a short video about different types of bike locks and even how to install an AirTag Bluetooth tracker inside your e-bike. Check it out in the description. But in today's video, I will show you one more thing. Probably one of the most useful and the cheapest gadget to protect your bike from bad guys and make them run away. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. So some time ago, I purchased this $15 alarm system from AliExpress.com. I discovered this interesting product when I accidentally touched someone's bike in the parking area. Someone's e-bike started screaming like crazy. I was really pissed off. A few minutes later, the owner came to check what was happening to his bike because he heard the alarm sound. He explained to me how it works, and on the same day I purchased this little alarm kit for my own e-bike. It cost me just $15, shipping included, and I was blown away by the quality of this product. First of all, it comes with a USB-C charging cable, so no need to replace batteries. I just have to charge it from time to time. The way it works is really simple. Just install the alarm on your bicycle and use the remote controller to lock or unlock your bike. It works exactly like your regular car alarm system. This alarm kit is very sensitive, so even a small touch will activate the first warning sound. If someone will touch your bike for the second time, it will activate a very loud alarm system. The idea behind this system is simple. It should alert everyone that something wrong is going on, so potentially it will make your e-bike less attractive to thieves. I'm using this alarm system on my own e-bike for about a month now, and it works surprisingly well. If you want to add an additional layer of protection to your e-bike, I really recommend you purchase this cheap $15 alarm. I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can get it from the same store I bought mine. Really good quality and fast shipping. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on my channel as well. Thanks again for watching and see you later on YouTube. Bye bye.